everyone, welcome back to ScratchesHappen. Today we're going to show you how to use and install our Aerosol Can Spray Trigger. First of all, when you spray an aerosol can, make sure you press the nozzle straight down and you don't tip it forward like this. The fan of your spray will actually catch on this ridge here and create a little puddle, and then you'll get spots on your panel eventually. But with the aerosol trigger, it has a downward motion that actually fixes that problem. And when you install your trigger, make sure you don't put it at an angle, put it straight to the top of it like this, and make sure your nozzle is straight. As you can see, the trigger gives you a lot more leverage, gives you a lot more control of where you need to be, whatever angle you need. Thanks for watching this tutorial on our Aerosol Can Spray Trigger. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on our YouTube channel. And for other products, check out the link below at ScratchesHappen.com. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.